How's it going, everyone? It's Abdullah Mazhar and I want to welcome back you to another fascinating video. So the topic of today's video is going to be very speculative. It is your time is your greatest asset. So yeah, it's a very important topic, and as we all people know that कि जो वक्त की कदर है इस जैसी दुनिया में literally कोई चीज़ exist नहीं करती, and it's such a streamlined, definitive thing that gonna go with its own force, and none of the thing in the world gonna hinder this thing journey. So let's begin with the very first point. Your time gonna decide who you are, what you wanna be, and what you can literally achieve. Like हम सब लोगों के पास एक जैसा ही टाइम है, आपके पास भी वही घड़ी है जो मेरे पास है. Like I have personally gone to the underwater exploration in Dubai, और वहाँ पर भी मैंने अपनी वॉच में देखा like it's second की जो टिक है it's similar as I've seen to the highest place in Pakistan, the बाबू सर टॉप. तो आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में चले जाएं, वक्त बिल्कुल एक रफ्तार के साथ गुजर रहा है, and the time is going to spend all the way. आप आज कुछ करें या ना करें, time is gonna pass at all way and it's all exposure, and you people gonna regret it later in the life when you haven't done anything else. So that's all about the first point. I wanna let you know that do your work because time is gonna pass away, and I don't want you people to regret at this thing. So ये एक वो पॉइंट है जो कि मैं आप सबके साथ काफी दिल की गहराई के साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि आपका वक्त आपका सबसे प्रीशियस एसेट है. You must have to utilize it in the efficient and the diligent manner. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now heading towards the second point, which is plant the seed before it's too late. So as we all know that जब भी हम कोई एक बड़ा तनावर एक तरोताजा दरख्त देखते हैं, so we people don't actually memorize and staple the history कि वो दरख्त इतना मजबूत कैसे बना. It all happens because of the pressure of power. Like वो दरख्त कभी एक छोटा seed था, right? So the idea behind planting your seed is you should have to plant your seed today, ताकि आप वो तनावर दरख्त कल को जाकर अपने फ्यूचर में देख सकें. And in this regard, I want to go with some practical examples. Like if you people have started developing some real world financial skills in the 2025, like आप कोई भी financial market की skill सीख रहे हैं, आप कोई e-commerce and anything freelancing की skill सीख रहे हैं, so this skill definitely gonna pay you out in the 2050. 2050 तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Like I've been giving you example like in the 10 years from now, like 2035 के अंदर you people gonna see real results if you people stick with your goals. So that's what I wanna let you people feel, that you must have to plant seed right now. आपको कोई ऐसी skill choose करनी है, which you people literally go can away all the way, और आप उस चीज के ऊपर अपना focus करें, give your all enthusiasm and your motivation, discipline, consistency, and your very hard work over this thing. So this thing gonna really make an impact. And इंशाल्लाह मैं बहुत जल्द वीडियो भी कुछ ऐसी real world skills के ऊपर बनाऊंगा जो कि आपके उस इनिशियल सीड को काफी ज्यादा प्रमोशन और काफी ज्यादा मोमेंटम देंगी, which would gonna let you to people far ahead in your lifestyle. So plant your seed now before it's gonna too late. Okay, everyone, now heading towards the third and very final point, which is trust the timeline process. And this thing is really important in all of your people's journey towards your career. Like trust the process. और ये चीज ऐसे ही सिंपल है. Like we all know that if you people start today, we gonna let that thing tomorrow. And इसके एसेंस में आपको एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगा. Like कभी आप लोगों ने ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की हो Amazon, eBay या पाकिस्तान के लोकल दराज वगैरह से. So when you people order something, so you have got the message आपको आ जाता है, notification आ जाता है कि like आपका your order has been placed and it would be dispatched in the 5 working days. तो आप यूं तो नहीं करते ना, you don't just take tension of that, you don't hesitate कि हमारा ऑर्डर हम तक आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा, ये कहीं कैंसिल तो नहीं हो गया. No, you people don't go this way. You just gotta wait because you have got the notification from the official sources. So same is the case जब आप लोग अपने ऊपर काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं. So you people do not have to hesitate at all. You just have to focus on yourself, on building your own personal genre and momentum, which would definitely gonna pay you out in the future. So this thing can also comes under the bracket of trust the process. आपने अगर कोई एक real world skill को develop करना शुरू कर दिया है, so this thing is not going to make you a millionaire or a successful person in the few years. I'm literally telling you, like आने वाले 5 सालों के अंदर आपको इतना कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. But after 5 years, people literally gonna make an impact. Like मैं अगर अपनी personal example करूँ, like I've been in the finance for the past 3 years and मुझे पिछले 3 सालों में कोई result देखने को नहीं मिला. It all started now, like after 3 years of struggle and hard working, I've seen a big result, not strong one, but I've been also struggling hard and putting my head over and over this thing. So I hope that one day this thing really gonna make an impact. So that's what I wanna let you people know, that trust the process. Like अगर हम historical examples में भी जाएं, so we have seen the people who have literally conquered the world. Napoleon Bonaparte, Alexander the Great, and the great Islamic leader Khalid bin Walid, जिन्होंने जो कुछ भी achieve किया, like what they then conquered everything. All this thing happened over a specific period of time. They have trusted the process, and that's why they became became so great in history. So this is the very important point about the time. But the thing and the point is कि अगर आप लोग time को serious नहीं लेते, so that timeline is gonna make no impact. So take your time serious, trust the process, and make it happen, ladies and gentlemen. So this is all about today's video. I hope people gonna have to learn a lot from today's video, and I really wish that this thing gonna make an impact in all of your lives. So I gonna make sure the next video तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिए. Take care. Allah Hafiz.